Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, have a small flathead screwdriver or a coin ready to help open the key fob. Make sure you have a clean and well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost during the process. Now, let's open the key fob to access the battery. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob and slide it to release the physical emergency key. Pull this key out and set it aside. Next, find the small slot or notch along the edge of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. It should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, we can now replace the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Using your small screwdriver or even your fingernail, carefully pry out the old, depleted CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob, making sure all internal components are in place. Gently press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the physical emergency key back into its slot until it locks into position. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.